Hello everyone. So our topic for today is chapter number 4.2, revolutionary steps in surgery. Okay. So you all know that we have been doing surgery in the field of medical since ancient. But what are the revolutionary steps के उनमें क्या क्या revolution आया कि क्या क्या there was a development that is what we are going to see. Also, if you are able to hear the noise, it's because of the construction which is going at my neighboring place. So I would try to be as loud as I can, but if you get that noise, please avoid it or please ignore it. Okay, now coming towards the page number 80, it's only warming up. 81 is also warming up, so we will start with 82. Okay, revolutionary steps in surgery dates back to as early as 600 BC. Sushruta Samhita is one of the oldest works in the world dealing with surgery. It indicates that Sushruta was probably the first surgeon to perform surgical operations, plastic surgery. Later, some ancient surgeons performed tooth extraction and bloodletting. Okay. Now, as I said, revolutionary मतलब क्या होता है? What do you mean by revolution? The changes or the development which has taken place in the field of surgery. Okay. So surgery कभी से start हुआ? It has been started right from 600 BC. Okay. And Sushruta Samhita is like one of the oldest surgeon we all know because उन्होंने surgery start किया था. He started performing plastic surgery and that is how like he was the first surgeon. उनके बाद से surgeons start हुए आना. And then there were later surgeons जिन्होंने tooth extraction जो teeth से related होता है surgery उसके ऊपर काम करना start किया. And bloodletting. What do you mean by bloodletting? Bloodletting is draining out ब्लड. ओके, सो ब्लड को ड्रेन करने का जो प्रोसेस रहता है या जो उससे रिलेटेड सर्जरी रहती है उसके लिए भी वी गॉट वेरियस काइंड्स ऑफ सर्जन्स. Major surgery could not develop for centuries because of lack of knowledge and technology. The doctors had to cut open the part of the body that was not healthy, remove it, or set that part right. This would involve a lot of pain to the patient. General anesthetics like ether or chloroform developed only from mind 19th century, making painless surgical operations possible and successful. Okay, so what used to happen in the previous years, like now we have anesthesia, right? तो अगर किसी को भी कोई भी प्रॉब्लम होता है या किसी की भी कोई सर्जरी करनी होती है तो दे गिव अस एनेस्थेशिया जिससे हम लोग को नींद आती है एंड हम लोग सो जाते हैं एंड देन दे डू दैट सर्जिकल पार्ट. ओके, कि जो सर्जरी करना होता है देन दे डू इट सो दैट पेशेंट फील्स लेस पेन, कि उतना पेन हम लोग को नहीं होता है. दिस इज़ द टेक्नोलॉजी ऑफ मॉडर्न इंडिया कि अभी एनेस्थेशिया कौन से फॉर्म में आता है. इधर दे गिव यू क्लोरोफॉर्म और दे गिव यू एथर, बट दिस डेवलप्ड इन 19th सेंचुरी. कि ये तो 19th सेंचुरी की बात हुई. उसके पहले पीपल बिकॉज वी डिडंट हैव एनी टेक्नोलॉजी, राइट? पीपल वर हैविंग लैक ऑफ नॉलेज नहीं था, उतना टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं था. तो पहले व्हाट दे यूज टू डू, दे डोंट यूज टू गिव एनी एनेस्थेशिया. लाइक द पर्सन इज लाइव एंड मतलब जिंदा है, वो सामने है, सोया बिया नहीं है, लाइव है वो. एंड देन दे यूज टू कट दैट पार्ट जहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम है एंड देन यूज टू सॉल्व इट और देन मेक डेफिनेट चेंजेस टू इम्प्रूव इट. सो उस टाइम पे लाइक अ पर्सन हैज़ टू फेस अ लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स एंड लॉट ऑफ पेन. ओके, बट nowadays it's not like that. We have anesthesia through which people can they go to sleep and then they perform operations. Modern technologies are now used for anesthesia. General anesthesia benumbs the whole body. As I said, benumbs the whole body मतलब क्या? Make numb मतलब वो पार्ट है ना आपका फील ही नहीं होगा, वो पार्ट को आपका नम कर देंगे सो दैट उसके ऊपर कोई भी ऑपरेशंस हो रहा है या आपको इंजेक्शंस दे रहे हैं या कुछ भी हो रहा है, यू वोंट फील द पेन. तो वो बॉडी को ही वो लोग नम कर देते हैं. एंड इट इज़ यूज फॉर सर्जरी ऑफ एनी रीजन ऑफ द बॉडी, लाइक एनी पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी यू कैन यूज. For local anesthesia, anesthetics are injected into the surgical spot or an area near nerves. Okay, so for local, like which part they want to do, uske आजू बाजू ही they give you anesthetics. सॉरी एनेस्थेटिक्स, एंड देन वहाँ पे वो लोग परफॉर्म करते हैं. Over the years now, revolutionary steps have been taken into different types of complicated surgery, and this have made operations successful. Okay, कि पहले के ज़माने में क्या होता था, there were surgeries, but since we didn't had that much amount of technology and knowledge, उतना वो successful नहीं हो पाता था. But now since we have a proper amount of technology and experts doctors, so that now it becomes very much easy. Let us start with cardiac surgery. Okay, so cardiac क्या होता है, एनीथिंग विच इज रिलेटेड टू हार्ट इज नोन एज कार्डियक. अभी कार्डियक सर्जरी में कौन कौन से रिवॉल्यूशनरी स्टेप्स आए वो हम लोग देखते हैं. टुडे इफ यू नीड टू हैव अ हार्ट सर्जरी यू कैन चूज फ्रॉम मेनी फाइन डॉक्टर्स. However, before 1893 this type of surgery was unknown. Doctors did not have modern medical tools and procedures essentials for heart surgery. In those days, heart patients were treated with sedatives and they usually did not survive. Then, in 1893, Daniel Hill Williams, a young African American surgeon, attempted a new medical technique in order to save a patient's life. Okay, so now we know if you want to perform heart surgery, there are many heart surgeons who are well known and very famous. So you can go there and you can perform your operation. But this wasn't the case till 1893. Okay, so before 1893 this surgery was only unknown. People didn't knew about heart surgery only. Okay, so at that time what they used to do, they used to give sedatives. As I said earlier, it is a substance which makes someone feel sleepy, so वो sedatives दे देते थे वो लोग, and that is how people at for a particular time they used to be unconscious. But that also didn't work for a long period of time, कि वो भी ज़्यादा देर तक चलता नहीं था. And then there was this American surgeon called Daniel Hill Williams. Okay, तो वो उन्होंने क्या किया, he tried to attempt a new medical technique in order to save patient's life. कि patient को बचाने के लिए he came up with a new technique. So he was like an initiative taken by him to save the patient. So in general what used to happen in earlier times, they used to give sedatives. Okay, तो sedatives से क्या होता था, people would feel sleepy, but that part जहाँ पे they are going to perform the surgery would be painful. While in anesthesia what happens is when they give you anesthetics, okay, when they provide you with it, that particular body, that particular part becomes जैसे एज आई सेड इट बिकम्स नम. ओके, तो आपको फील नहीं होता वो पार्ट पे कोई भी ऑपरेशन होता है तो वैसे. एंड या यू माइट गेट स्लीपी वाला पार्ट इज अ बिट tedious, like someone might feel sleepy, someone may not, but the main purpose of anesthetics is to provide you to make that part of your body numb. Okay, so that no pain is felt by you. A patient, James Cornish, was suffering from a very serious knife wound. The knife had cut an artery less than an inch from his heart and punctured the pericardium, the sac around the heart. Dr. Williams, with 6 staff doctors, perform a complicated and daring operation. Dr. Williams became the first surgeon to save his patient by successfully repairing the human heart. So जैसे हम लोग ने जिनके बारे में पढ़ा 1893 में Daniel Hill Williams, he decided to make something or to do some sort of make some sort of medical technique through which he could save patient life. So there was this patient of him which was Jam Cornish. तो उनको नाइफ जो चाकू रहता है ना उसका वाउंड लग गया था, मतलब नाइफ लग गया था बेसिकली हार्ट पे, एंड दैट हैज़ गॉन लाइक एन इंच into the heart and it has disturbed the pericardium. जो हार्ट के बाजू में सैक होता है ना, that was totally disturbed. So that was totally disturbed, yeah, you can say disturbed. So Dr. William and his team, they decided to do the surgery, and that was a successful surgery which was done of heart. Okay, so उस time पे as I said कि heart का जो surgery था that was unknown to people. So because of this Dr. William डेनियल विलियम, पीपल गॉट टू नो के दैट हार्ट का सर्जरी भी हो सकता है वैसा. Now, many more advanced techniques are used in this specialty to deal with heart complications. Okay, but that was like a very basic start जो उन्होंने किया था. But now we have advanced technology to deal with all kinds of heart complications. Open heart surgery, which can help to repair heart defects, heart valves, or even replace them, is also performed successfully. Okay, valves आपको पता है ना, the device for allowing flow in one direction only, कि जो हमारा flow होता है blood का, that flows in one direction, so that device is called as valve. Okay, so now there are many more advanced technology, so one can do open heart surgery to repair heart का जो कोई अगर defect होगा तो that could be repaired, heart valves can be repaired, or even they can be replaced. So this is how technology has moved forward. With proper measures, patient can recover from cardiac surgery faster than they did before. Okay, so because of these technologies, one can now get well, very well, like can be easily recovered from this heart surgery. Now, so this was all about cardiac surgery. हम लोग ने पूरा cardiac surgery के बारे में पढ़ा. Now we will see the next one. So coming towards the next part is neurosurgery. Cardiac surgery देखा, anything which is related to heart is called as cardiac surgery. Now neurosurgery is something which relates to brain and spinal cord, या any problem या any diseases related to brain and spinal cord, and उसका जो operations होता है या to recover it, or any medical process which is taken under which is taken for brains and spinal cord comes under neurosurgery. So neurosurgery is another recent specialty to have received recognition since the early 90s, like 1900s, so 90s. It is concerned with the treatment of disorders of nervous system, जो nervous system से related होता है, जो brain, spinal cord, जो ये सारे parts include करता है, that is taken under consider in neurosurgery. Neurosurgeons operates on the brain, the spine or nerves. They can treat patients of all ages, from the newborn to the elderly who have suffered a stroke. Harvey Cushing, 1869 to 1939, is considered to be the father of modern neurological surgery. In the early part of 20th century, he developed basic techniques and instruments for operating on the brain as a distinct surgical specialty. Okay, so Harvey Cushing, he came up with many instruments which are needed for this surgery. Cushing dramatically reduced mortality rate for neurosurgery from 90% to less than 10%. Dramatically is suddenly he reduced the mortality. Mortality मतलब जो death rate था ना उस time पे it was 90%, like almost किसी को brain से related या कोई भी problem हो गया, that person used to die. Like 10% chance था कि वो save होता था, and 90% was कि वो लोग मर ही जाते थे. But when he discovered all of these instruments and when he invented all of these instruments, now the death rate was like 10%, कि बहुत कम लोग ही थे जो मरते थे, and many people used to get recovered. By the time of his retirement in 1937, he had successfully removed more than 2,000 tumors. Okay, so over his period of time, over his entire period, he had removed 2,000 tumors, which was a great success. The main reason that mortality rates had been so high before was blood loss. Why? Because अगर कुछ मतलब main problem क्या था, why death rate used to increase at that time? At that time because the blood loss, कि अगर कोई part में problem हो गया but उसका वो person है जो patient है उसका blood ही इतना remove हो जाता है, इतना उसका blood ही इतना निकल जाता है body से, that was the main reason why the person used to die. Among Cushing's significant achievements are the methods he developed to stem this blood loss by inventing a clip called silver clip or Cushing clip. Okay, तो उन्होंने क्या किया था? Why was he successful? उनके टाइम पे भी तो blood loss हुआ रहेगा, but why was he successful? Because he developed a stem. Okay, stem it's like a control for blood loss के जो blood loss होता था उनके बदले में उन्होंने एक silver clip या you can say a Cushing clip like he invented, so उनका नाम दे दिया था. Cushing clip was invented so that it prevented the loss of blood. Thus, neurosurgery is one of the most cutting edges in the world of surgery and medicine. Cutting edges is like a latest development. Okay, so we have seen cardio surgery, we have seen neurosurgery. Now we will see robotic surgery. What do you mean by robotic surgery? Surgery which is carried by minimum surgical instruments के जहाँ पे ज़्यादा instruments या वेपन्स नहीं बोल सकते, जहाँ पे ज़्यादा इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स यूज़ ना हो, ज़्यादा डिवाइसेस यूज़ ना हो, विथ मिनिमम devices. Robotic surgery is a type of minimally invasive surgery. Minimally invasive means that instead of operating on patient through large incisions, use is made up of miniaturized surgical instruments that fits through a series of quarter-inch incisions. Okay, कि जो large incisions. Now, what do you mean by incisions? It is a surgical cut which is made in skin or flesh. तो minimally invasive का meaning क्या हो गया? That rather than making that large cuts, instead we use स्मॉल कट्स. ओके, वी डू स्मॉल कट्स जो क्वार्टर इंच के इंसीशन, क्वार्टर इंच मतलब छोटे से पार्ट में वो कट हो जाए, वैसा वाला मतलब वैसा वाला डेवलपमेंट इज बीन डन. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज मिनिमली इन्वेसिव. दैट पीपल एट पास्ट टाइम व्हाट दे यूज्ड टू डू, they used to make a large cut. So instead of that, doing a minimal cut so that not major part of the body is hurt. When performing surgery with Da Vinci, the world's most advanced surgical robot, these miniaturized instruments are mounted on 3 separate robotic arms, allowing the surgeon maximum range of motion and precision. The Da Vinci's 4th arm contains a magnified high-definition 3D camera that guides the surgeon during the procedure. Okay, so जब Da Vinci का surgery हो रहा था, when उनके साथ they were performing surgery, so they developed a surgical robot. Okay, so वो robot का कैसे था? These robot had 3 arms. Okay, so that is how they provided motion, कि वो motion और accuracy जो एकदम accurate होता है ना कि क्या problem है वो दिखाता था. And the 4th arm of this robot, it contained 3D camera जिसके through you can even see or you can guide the surgeon to how to do the procedure. So that is how vast technology came. The surgeon controlled these instruments and the camera from a console. What is console? It is a combination of display, input devices and control mechanism used for controlling a रोबोट. के रोबोट को कंट्रोल करने के लिए जो डिवाइस चाहिए, प्लस के वो डिस्प्ले भी करता है, वो दिखाता भी है अंदर क्या क्या चल रहा है. Located in the operating room, placing his fingers into the master controls, he is able to operate all 4 arms of the Da Vinci. Okay, कि वो अगर उसने मास्टर कंट्रोल को पकड़ा ना तो ही कुड कंट्रोल ऑल ऑफ द 4 आर्म्स. ओके, 3 आर्म्स तो हम लोग ने देखा थे. 3 आर्म्स वर यूज फॉर अ प्रॉपर मोशन एंड एक्यूरेसी, एंड जो 4th था दैट इंक्लूड कैमरा. व्हाइल लुकिंग थ्रू अ स्टीरियोस्कोपिक हाई डेफिनेशन मॉनिटर, द रोबोट लिटरली प्लेस द सर्जन इनसाइड द patient. This gives him a better, more detailed 3D view of the operating site than the surgeon's eye can provide. Okay, so ये robot का क्या speciality था कि through that camera one could literally see what is happening inside, and that is why they have said the surgeon inside the patient. Not the surgeon actually went inside the patient, but surgeon can see what is actually happening. वैसा. Every movement he makes with the master control is replicated accurately by the robot. Replicated matlab same to same copy. When necessary, the surgeon can even change the scale of the robot's movement. If he selects a 3:1 scale, the tip of the robot arm will move just 1 inch for every 3 inch. Then surgeon's hand move. Okay, so they had like this is now the speciality of robot. उसके क्या क्या क्वालिटीज़ थे कि अगर आप लोग ने 3:1 स्केल किया तो वो सिर्फ एक बार उसका हैंड मूव करता था rather than moving it for 3 times. Utilizing this advanced technology, our surgeons are able to perform a growing number of complex surgical procedures. Okay, that because of all of these advanced technology, now one can now do complex surgeries also. Since these procedures can now be performed through very small incisions, our patient experience a number of benefits compared to the open surgery of the part. कि अभी में कैसे होता है छोटा सा small incision, small cut दे देते, but since previous time में they used to do it open surgery, now people feel way secured and way comfortable considering पहले के ज़माने में जो open surgery होता था उसके बदले में. Okay, so that is how we come towards the end of our session. Now talking about workshop जो continuation में ही है, the first surgeon to perform operations. So you need to read the lesson and you need to write the answer. So first surgeon कौन था to perform operations? This was on page number 91. We have seen the Daniel Hale Williams was the first surgeon. So this is how you will write the answer. Anesthetic used for mid 19th century. तो mid 19th century में कौन कौन सा anesthesia यूज़ करते थे हम लोग ने देखा ना. They used to like two kind of anesthesia. One was either ether or either chloroform. So that is how you can write. Again the rest of them would be a homework. You just need to read the lesson. अभी तो हम लोग ने lesson समझा भी है तो you could easily write. फिर first successful cardiac surgeon, a sac around the heart का again you will get this into cardiac surgery में you will get कि वो sac of heart को देखो यहाँ पे 1 2 3 4 5th last line on page number 82. The sac around the heart is called as pericardium. So this is like simple questions which you just need to answer while reading the chapter. So this is something, the rest of them you will do as your homework. I guess hardly दो तीन ही बचे. Now tooth extraction. तो tooth you need to write or you need to match. So if you see the 8th one, Cushing clip. So Cushing clip कौन सा था? If you read, like you need to read you need to read section in B. So Cushing clip, I guess it is the last one, a device to stop blood loss in neurosurgery. बराबर neurosurgery में blood loss के लिए हम लोग ने Cushing clip use किया था. So that is how you need to match. Now what do you mean by 3D? Read the part into B, you will get the answer. Yeah, 3D is having length, breadth and depth. फिर what do you mean by sedative? Third वाला sedative was again and see G वाला substance that makes a person sleep. Tumor that is related to brain. So this is how you will write the answers. The rest of them you can do it as homework. Sub-question 3. Fill in the web with the words related to surgery. So you know it can be major surgery. फिर और कौन से words आप लोग use कर सकते हो related to surgery. So 3 surgery तो हम लोग ने अभी देखा, right? We have seen robotic surgery, cardiac surgery, neurosurgery. So that is again related to surgery. So you can write all of these words. Now you need to write lines about each one of the following. So Sushruta Samhita, we have seen he was the first surgeon. Starting में once we start the chapter, there is definition or there is word, description of Sushruta Samhita given. So you can write that. First neurosurgery, robotic surgery, everything student. This is easy. All of these are easy. आप लोग ने chapter पढ़ा उसमें से आप लोगों को लिखना है. Coming towards 5th question. Okay, grammar part is something when we will complete this during grammar session. जब हम लोग grammar करेंगे, at that time we will do grammar. Now coming towards coming towards page number One second. Now coming towards page number 80, you have warming up session. So this is like few questions which they have asked you in sub question 1. Discuss in your class. Do you like to study science? What are the advantages of learning science? So this chapter was related to this was chapter like which provided you knowledge, and this usually happens in science subject. Like you get to know about different terms, you get to know about different terms, you get to learn about different things. That is why they are asking you personal questions. Now see, आपका personal questions है, they are asking you. So I want you all to write the answers. I want you all to give your opinions. ऐसा नहीं कि मैंने कोई आंसर दे दिया फिर आप लोग उसी को लर्न करो. नो, you write, you tell me, do you like science, why do you like to study science, what do you think are the advantages of learning science according to you. Again, this is like a personal response question, so I want your own responses. Imagine that one of your family members, friends, classmate has recently undergone a surgery. You were curious and wanted to learn about his or her experience. Match the questions you asked with the answer. So these, on the left hand side you see the questions and on the right hand side you see the answers. So what health problems did you suffer from is the question. So उसका आंसर आपको राइट साइड में देखना है. Okay, so are you reading? I recovered our school. The doctor took an X-ray. I was very nervous. Our school. What kind of health problem did you suffer from? I had fractured. I was relieved and happy. My operation, I consulted an orthopedic surgeon. I was given an injection. I was given a bath. Okay, so see, if in case you are not getting the answer कि आंसर में कैसे करूँ, तो come to the next question. Whom did you inform about it first? So you can write I consulted an orthopedic surgeon. The third one, तो वैसे वैसे आपके options ख़त्म हो जाएंगे, तो जो बच जाएगा वो आपका आंसर रहेगा वैसे. How did he or she find out that you needed a surgery? So how did he or she find out? You can may write the doctor took an X-ray of my ankle and he found a fracture in my ankle. The eye question. Okay. How soon did you recover? 10th question. I was relieved and happy that the operation was over. I recovered and I could walk normally after 3 weeks. So the answer is G. So वैसे वैसे start reading all of the questions, start reading all of the options and write so that आपको पता चले कौन सा question से related है. So three वाला 3 तो हम लोग ने discuss कर लिए. The rest of them would be your homework. Again, sub question 3 is grammar part, which we will do in the grammar section. So this is how we come towards the end of our session. I hope you have understood the 3 terms which we have studied today: cardiac surgery, neurosurgery and robotic surgery. Okay, so please make sure कि आप लोग आपका homework अच्छे से करो and you submit it to your respective teacher. So that is how we come towards the end of the session. We'll see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and take care. Bye.